Hello, so today we are going to do this problem, which is part of Leetcode daily challenge. So it's find the difference of two arrays. We have two arrays, nums1 and nums2, and we want to return a list answer of size 2 such that the answer at the first position is a list of all the distinct integers in the first array, this one, that are not present in the second array. And for the second slot, answer at position 1, we need those that are in nums2 but not in nums1, so sort of just the reverse, right? And that's pretty much it. So this should be straightforward. We could of course do a solution that just like goes through something like this, that just goes through creates a set for each array and then just goes through one, checks if the element is not in S2, not in the other array, in the set of the other array, adds it to the first position, and then do the same thing for the second array, right? And this we will have to do to just check for whether the element already exists in, whether we already added the elements or not, because we don't want to add duplicates, okay? But this is too cumbersome. There is actually a better way, because we already have the sets here, right? And so to get those that are in S1 but not in S2, we can just take the difference of the sets, right? So you can just take S1 minus S2. And the good thing about this is that this would already be only unique numbers, right? And so we don't need to check if we already added an element or not, okay? And so that means for the first position, it's going to be just S1 minus S2. For the second position, it's going to be the reverse, right? Because we want the elements in S2 that are not in S1. But the problem asks us to give a list, so we just convert the set to a list here. So this would be something like this, and this is what we return, okay? So you can see this is a lot better than the previous solution. And now let's just run this, make sure it passes. So if we run it and submit, it does pass, right? So pretty straightforward solution. Yeah. It's in terms of time complexity, we are doing O(n), right? With these, and in terms of space, we are also using O(n) space. Yeah. So that's pretty much it for today's problem. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.